Hi, Crafty friends. They here, the cheeky bum, coming on with a little collective haul. I have just a couple things from a couple different places, so I thought that I would share. Um, so first up, I have these charms from Amazon. There's 40 charms, so I think 20 of each. I think they were about $7.49-ish. But I thought that I would share with you because they are pretty cute. I was looking for more enamel charms for a dangle. I have a lot of beads and other charms, but I wanted just more enamel charms. So I got this set. They're pretty cute. I like them. This, I don't know what this is at the end of this little XOXO. It's kind of odd, but I really like the glitter of it, of the enamel, but they're really pretty. A lot of like different shades of pink, red. I love these little lips, and this little lipstick is really cute. So I got these because I thought that they would be cute. I was under the weather, but my hubby went to Home Goods because I was sent him to look for something, and he finally found it. So I was looking for these. Guess check. These are little sticky note pads. I think this was $3.99. I already broke into it. I could not wait. But these are so cute. I love them. I have Lisa out looking for one as well. I think she did find it. I wasn't expecting my husband to be able to find one, but he did find it, so now I'll get two. These are really cute. I really, really like these. And he knows that I like lips and I like these little bead kits, so he found this one too, which was really cute. This was $6.99. These were at Home Goods TJ Maxx. Like ours is like TJ Maxx Home Goods. It's all one. So, but these are really cute. I haven't even opened this one yet. Let's see what's in here. Well, I mean, I can see what's in here, but I want to kind of look at the clay beads in the middle because I can't get a super great view of them. So you have some just round little pink beads. You have some round silver beads that are just smaller than these ones. You get pink alphas, which I don't have the size pink alphas. I have red heart alphas this size, and then I have bigger pink, a lighter pink heart alphas. But these always come in handy just to put names or swap or Valentine's or be mine or something cute like that. Then you got all these Heishi beads, and then in the center you have these little clay beads with little lips in there. Those are really cute. And then last but not least, I ordered from the silicone bead store because I realized I didn't have a lot of Valentine's like focal beads, so I ordered. I did get a free gift. She did send me. I'll link them down below. They ship really fast. They're out of Texas. I think I got mine in 4, maybe 5 days because I did order over a weekend, and I got it by. I think I ordered on Friday or Saturday, and I think I got it by Monday, Tuesday. So they come really fast. I'll link them down below. But this was a free gift. They're little coffee cups. These always come in handy because there's always coffee or hot cocoa type of swaps. I love this little mint color. So those are really cute. Those would be good to have in the stash. I haven't ordered any of their pens yet, but I did get these pins. These were $2 a piece. And I did look on AliExpress and Temu, which I wouldn't have gotten them in time anyway. But I was specifically looking for little hearts. So they're all blinged up and they have pink little hearts with just like, it's kind of like a little face with a little red nose, which is kind of weird, but they're cute from far. Like they're cute either way. So I got those. Again, I think they were $2 a piece. And then I got a bunch of silicone beads, like a lot. Like a lot. I think my order, like with shipping and everything, was right around $45. I don't remember because my my receipt doesn't have the prices on them, but everything is usually under, like, I think the most expensive focal bead I've paid is like $1.50. Most of them are right around $1.25. Some are $1.50 if they're like 3D and other things. I don't think I even have any of those. Or if they're like brand new, some are even cheaper, but I'm going to show you what I got. So I got these mint colored Be Mine because they go really well. Um, this is the Miss Kate Be My Valentine, and look how well they match. I think these will be really cute with this collection. So I only got 2 of those. I was really looking for these ones. So these got little cupids on them. I got quite a few of these because I thought that these would be great for like embellishment boxes and stuff. And you can't go wrong with Cupid and the classic little heart shape. I think these were pretty inexpensive. I'm sorry, I don't have prices for you, but they were a pretty good price, and that's probably why I got 6 of those. I got these little lips because they were so cute. Did I get 4 of those? I did get 4 of those. Look how cute those are. I think I was looking for cherries, but they didn't have any cherries. But I did get these recommended to me because I like spooky things. And of course I had to get some. Of course I have friends that like spooky Valentines as well. You know, Halloween. So I got these to put in my stash. I didn't do any Halloween yet this year. I don't know if I'll have a chance or not. I also got a couple little gnomies. I'm not a huge gnomie girl, but you know, I know that quite a few of you are. So I got just a couple little gnomes. And then I got these. These were really cute. Usually these are pretty clean, and this one is, they have like this extra little bit, which is kind of, I think it's called a flash. And I usually just kind of take, these are for cutting dies, but I just kind of nip it off, and it comes out pretty clean. You can also use like an X-Acto knife, but anyway. They're pretty easy to clean up. I only got 2 of these little hearts. They had red ones too, but the red ones were out, so I just got the fuchsia, but I think I wanted the red, so I only got two of those. And then I was looking for some book ones, because I am in a book club and we're doing a book journal, so I thought these could be fun. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway on IG that is like a blind date with a book, so I'll probably be throwing some beads in there as well. And it says suspect is definitely reading smut. Got a couple of those. Got 2 of these that say book babe. I just liked the color. They did have different colors as well, but I liked this color. And then I got a few of these that are like forbidden love, enemies to lovers. I really like the size of these. These are just tiny and cute. These would be good for like a pokey tool, like the mini pokey tools that I like to make. Those are cute. But what do you need a pokey tool for a book? You don't. But anyway, they're cute. And then it led me down the rabbit hole of like some Halloween, because I was looking at these, and then I found these little spooky vibes. They did have different colors to say different things. I got the bright green because the bright green and bright pink are my favorite together. So I love these little spooky vibes. I got a couple of the little skeletons. They had, I think they had pink, green, purple, and orange. And I just got a couple of the pink ones. They're really cute. I got a couple of these boos, and I thought these would be good if I want to do like some vintage Halloween, which I definitely like to do. And then I got some of these. I think these were like 45 cents or something. I believe they glow in the dark, but they have little skeletons and stars all the way around them, and they're just neon and bright. So I just got, you know, I got 4 pink and 2 green. Thought that they would be cute together. So that is my haul. Quite a few. I just haven't gotten like focal beads in a while. I got some from Temu because I wanted cherries, and it was only like, there was red, green, some with a cherry print, and only 1 cherry like 3D focal bead. I was kind of disappointed. So yeah, I was like, oh, we're gonna go and see what I could find. I was really looking for like a 3D Cupid, but I really liked lips. I think I'm happy with what I got. Of course, you know, I'll have plenty of Valentines for next year, so that, you know, whatever I don't use this year, I will have for next year in my stash, and I won't be like looking last minute. So that is my quick little collective haul. If you have any questions, let me know, but I will definitely link the silicone bead store down below, and I'll also link the Amazon charms if you're interested. So I hope that you find some good goodies out there. If you know any place with as great beads, I do have to say, like, the silicone bead store has like a very good selection of focal beads and pretty inexpensive. But if you know anywhere else that I can look, let me know and I will check it out. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.